Hey, what's up? It's Tyler with Most Simple Guitar Lessons. Today I'm going to show you how to play Dark Matter on acoustic guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. So to play this song, you'll be in standard tuning with no capo. And after listening to it a few times, I found that the easiest or most simple way to play it is what I'm showing you. If you listen closely, there's more notes than just those two, but those are the two main notes that are coming through in the recording. Same with the second part, it's just these two notes that are mainly coming through. The first thing you're going to want to do is put your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the E string and your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the high E string, and just go back and forth on like that. So from this shape, you're gonna slide that up, middle finger on the 7th fret of the E string and ring finger on the 7th fret of the G string. Same plucking pattern. And then slide that down to the 5th fret with your middle finger on the E string, but then your ring finger is going to be on the 6th fret of the G string, and then back down to where you started. Go up to do that again, but then on this part you're going to slide all the way down to 2 on the E string and also 2 on the G string with your ring finger all together. So we'll play that slower now if you need it. Ready? Got my heart shattered. Na 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 na. I got my heart shattered. Like that.